Hello and welcome on this new deeper analysis video on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, I'm very proud to share with you that yesterday evening, Friday, I have shared with you a deal of the day to buy the gold from 2650, and we had here a sniper entry. The gold has reversed exactly from my entry and went in over 117 pips of profit. And the good thing is that here on my Telegram, I have sent an update yesterday recommending my followers to close it right now in 110 pips of profit, because we really don't want to keep the gold running over the weekend. And as you can see, that was really a good advice, and I hope you guys have taken it, because the gold went back to the entry. So what we will do next with the gold, we'll find actually out later in this video. Also, I would like to share with you something. Actually, 2 weeks ago, we did not really have a good performance in our gold scalping signals channel on Telegram. So we had to suspend the signals for a week to find out the mistakes. And here are the results. After testing the new way of sending the signals, we actually have figured out the mistakes, and we changed our way in sending the signals. And here are the results right in front of you. So I'm really excited to launch the gold forex scalping signals in the upcoming week, and I hope it's gonna be up to your expectations, and hopefully we will achieve the same results with you. This is actually like 95% winning ratio. We can barely find any losses here. So it was a good performance, and I hope it's gonna be good also when we post it to the public. Also, don't forget, my friends, that we have right now the Black Friday offer valid until 4th of December to join the gold signals channels with 20% discount. Please contact our support to find more details about this offer. So now let's see what we can do next about the gold for the upcoming week. Now, most likely we can no longer buy the gold, because the gold has already reversed at our entry at 2650, but now it went back. So now it's adding more pressure on this level. So I really don't recommend to buy the gold right now. Let me just now delete please the old signal and see now our next opportunities with the gold. So let's now move to the daily chart. Sorry, weekly. This is weekly chart right now. So now what we can see here on the weekly chart is actually the gold has made here a strong bullish engulfing candle, as we can see, but the candle after was actually a red one. Indicates a weakness right now in the level, because the gold was actually supposed to continue the rise till it reached the highest level of a real resistance at 2,750, but that didn't happen. Instead, the gold just kept falling down. Why is it falling? Let me just show you right now on daily chart. So here on daily chart, we have a very clear head and shoulders pattern, indicates that the gold right now most likely will continue the fall. Not only that, it's not the only reason. We have actually another reason, which is the resistance trend line, and that is actually one of the most powerful ways in analyzing the gold, in my opinion. So as we can see right here, make it accurate. Here we had, of course, a resistance trend line number 1, number 2, and after the bullish breakout happened, the market respected the same level for twice as a support trend line. But what happened later is a random movement. Bearish breakout, bullish breakout, bearish breakout. It was due to the tension happening in the Middle East and the escalation of the war between Russia and Ukraine. But I believe right now things are more calm than last week, and most likely right now the gold is gonna start moving as expected. So therefore, as you can see, recently the gold indeed respected finally the same level here of a resistance trend line. Indicates that we have here another chance for a continuation in the fall, combining that of course with the head and shoulders. Now let's move to the 4-hour time frame to see even more details of that. So here what we can see on the 4-hour time frame is simply a flag, as we can see, just like that. So here we can see the flag happened, and the gold actually had, let me just make it accurate, just like that, fantastic. So right now, after this strong bearish movement happened, the gold actually is right now making a flag, and most likely after finishing this pattern, the gold will continue the fall. So again, we have so many reasons to think that the gold right now is going to continue the fall. But we have here also a strong key level of a support. So right now what we can do next is just simply wait for the gold. Don't buy it. Wait. Just wait for the gold to reverse upon the pressure of this level of a support. Then it might continue to rise again till it reach our perfect entry at somewhere right here, which we will go to this part later. And then we can sell the gold after it reach the edge of the resistance trend line that we had right here. And that's going to be the best level, in my opinion, to sell the gold. it's gonna be safer. I can simply tell you to sell right now, but that's completely risky because again the gold upon the pressure of the support has a chance to make a strong pullback to over 200 pips. So where exactly we can sell the gold then? That's the question. Now let's seek the help of Fibonacci retracement. Check this out. So right now the gold is actually at Fibonacci 38.2 and it reversed from Fibonacci 50. Right now after the pressure of this support, there is a chance that the gold might actually continue the rise till it reach Fibonacci 61.8, and by that as well it will actually reach the edge of the resistance trend line. Let me just draw it again for you. As you can see, so here we have the resistance trend line. So if the gold will continue the rise, it will not only face Fibonacci 61.8 but also hit the edge of the resistance trend line. After that it will continue the fall. But does it mean that we can sell exactly at Fibonacci 61.8? Absolutely not. We will sell actually before that. Why? Because Fibonacci is just showing you the levels where you can buy or sell. It's just showing you the zone. We need more accurate entry. We need to be sure because we all hated drawdowns, right? We don't like to see ourselves entering a trade, then it's running in loss for 50, 60, 70, 100 pips. I'm in panic. Then finally, profit. We don't want that. We all know this feeling. So let's now try to find the most accurate entry possible. Where is it? So we identified that we are going to sell at the zone of Fibonacci 61.8. Now let's look deeper in that. Look at this bearish breakout candle and look at the support right here. So meaning we had here a strong bearish breakout candle from this long term of support. Now what you need to do is simply look at the nearest level of a resistance to this bearish breakout candle. So we have here a support and a support. Here we have a resistance. This is the nearest level of a resistance to this bearish breakout candle. And that means that we can sell exactly right here. Because we are selling on the exact level of a resistance, which is the nearest one to this bearish breakout candle, usually this is the best and most accurate levels where the market accurately reverses from. And if we do that, we will continue selling the gold till it reaches the bottom of the real support right here exactly at 2,610, which means we are seeking around 610 pips profit with this signal. Actually, I would like to reduce it a little bit more. Why? Because I would like to give more realistic signals, something achievable and something not gonna really be hard to achieve. Therefore, yeah, 506 pips of profit is gonna be our take profit level. However, the safe zone in this case shouldn't actually be ranging higher than the resistance right here, which is on top of Fibonacci 61.8, and that means that our safe zone will be ranging for only 170 pips only, which is really good. And there goes our new deal, my friends, on the gold for the upcoming week. And again, don't forget to join our free channel on Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. This is the Telegram channel, Xtreme Trader Signals, or you can just simply make it easier and check the description below of this video to find the link to join directly. So again, my friends, remember always, trading gold is always risky. It's very dangerous, especially nowadays. So we have to be always careful about our trades and always remember that every signal that you are entering on the gold is subjective to fail. For that reason, always be careful and ready and prepared for any potential losses. Make sure that you have placed your stop loss at a reasonable amount that you are able to afford and recover easily. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.